Welcome. Please subscribe. In this video, I'll be talking about rounding problems and solutions. Rounding numbers is a crucial skill in mathematics, helping simplify complex figures while maintaining accuracy. Below, we're going to talk about 10 different problems related to rounding numbers, and I'm going to give you the solutions. So problem number 1, we're going to round 476 to the nearest 10. Okay, so here we have 1, 10, so 10 here. That means that we need to look at anything to the left, we're gonna leave it by itself. Anything to the next number to the right, we're gonna look at it a 6. If it's 5 or greater, we're gonna switch 7, we're gonna add 1 to 7, so it will be 8. And anything to the right of 8, which is 6, or anything has to be turned to 0. So the answer is 480. Problem number 2, we're gonna round 2345 to the nearest 100. Okay, so first, this is 1, 10, 100. So we're here. So the number to the right is 4, so that's less than 5. So that means that we leave the number as 2, 3, and anything to the right, to the right of 3, we leave as 0. Let's go to problem number 3. We're gonna round 56, 7, 8, 9 to the nearest 1000. Okay, nearest 1000. So this is 1, 10, 100, 1000. So we're concentrated on 6. The number to the right is 7, so that's 5 or greater. That means that we need to turn 6 at 1 to 6, so that would be 5, 7, and anything to the right of 7 is 0, so I mean 1, 2, 3. Problem number 4. We're gonna round 123 0.78 to the nearest whole number. So for this, we're gonna look at this here, and the number next to the decimal point is 7, 5 or greater. Yes, so we need to turn 3, add 1 to 3, that would be 124, and that will be the whole number. Problem number 5. Round 9.46 to the nearest 10th. So here we need to, the nearest tenth is here. So that means that we need to look at the number to the right. Is 6 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. That means that we need to add 1 to 4. So that would be 9.5. Problem number 6. We're gonna round 0.738 to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so that would be 10th hundredth. So it is here. That means that we look at the number to the right. Is 8 greater than or equal to 5? Yes, so we need to add 1 to 3. So that would be 0.74. Let's look at problem number 7. We're gonna round 5.2769 to the nearest thousand. Okay, so that would be 10 100,000. It is here. Look at number, the digit to the right is 9 greater than or equal to 5. Yes, so that means that we need to add 1 to 6. So that would be 5.277. Problem number 8. We're gonna round 987,654 to the nearest thousand. Okay, so the nearest thousand is 1 10th 100,000. Thousand is here. That means that we look at the number, the digit to the right, that's 6. So is 6 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. That means that we need to add 1 to 7. That would be 988. Anything to the right of 7 is turned to 0. So it would be 1, 2, 3. Problem number 9. We're gonna round 0.499 to the nearest whole number. Okay, nearest whole number. So we look at here, and is 4 greater than or equal to 5? No, that means that we need to turn this into a 0. In the last problem, we're gonna round 12.345 to the nearest tenth. Okay, so the nearest tenth is 3. We look at the next digit. Is 4 greater than or equal to 5? No, that means that we leave 3 as it is. So it will be 12.3, and then that's it. So for these problems, it's good to identify the place you're looking at, the place you're given that you need to round to. Then look at the digit next to the right, and if it is a decimal number, you look at the right place. If you want to round to the whole number and you have a decimal, you need to look at the digit next to the decimal point to go up or down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.